going to be a challenge, and what would be your priority as an MLA?
Well, there are so many things that we need to look into it. I believe that definitely the headquarters, the policy and manifesto will be laid out down there, and then we have to see what needs to be done first. So maybe I have a lot of priorities personally, but I don't know will I be able to carry that out, because everything in every field, every profession needs to be changed, and development has to be bringing. So that's why we can talk about education, we can talk about health, we can talk about daily basic necessities. So I believe that we have to touch each and every of the department and the line and the professional field.
So how do you feel as a Mizo woman being elected in a patriarchal society like Mizoram, being an elected woman MLA? How do you feel today?
This victory is definitely the victory for the female, for the women in the society, in the community. So I dedicated this victory, this triumph, to all the female out there. And I believe we break the barriers, we break the walls that has been made believe that it's not breakable. So I think we have gone through quite a lot. It's like a wrecking ball swinging to the wall. So I'm very happy, and it's a proud moment for the women.
Thank you.